If you are considering to use Skool as your membership platform, that is a way that I can work with you completely for free and help you grow your Skool community to 5, 10, 15, 20 paying members. If you use my Skool affiliate link, and in exchange I am gonna work with you and guide you so you can build your own membership. Opening your Skool with my affiliate link will allow you to have me as your referral affiliate, and Skool is gonna send me a commission for referring you, and we're gonna be able then to work together, and it's gonna be no extra cost to you. Look, I have built my membership to 30 people now, and I have learned this model that I have in place, and I am growing my membership now pretty passively, and I will help you implement this same model as well. What I do is I have my paid community on Skool, and I am filling it with new members who are paying me monthly subscriptions. How I do that is that I am building some kind of social media audience like my YouTube channel, my Facebook, my Instagram, and I'm sending everyone to join my email list and also my free community, which I also have on Skool. So when people come to my free community, they give me their email, I'm building an email list, or I do it also the other way, right? And then I am able to promote to everyone, hey, if you want more help, you can get into my paid community. How I do that is via content attraction, content creation. I engage with people a lot. I have mini conversations with people. I book some calls at times as well. And also I am organizing weekly live events, workshops from which I'm enrolling groups of members into my membership. I want to teach you how to put this same model in place because this model now works for me passively. It's sending traffic from my YouTube to my free community to my email list. And then I have, for example, an automated email sequence in place as well that kind of sends people into my paid membership also a little more like automatically, right? I will help you build this system in place so we can automate it and it can work for you, and you can build your membership group community to 15, 20, 30, 40 or even more people later on. Below this video you're gonna find a button or a link. Click on it and you are gonna be able to join my free Skool community by clicking this link here. I want you to join my free Skool community so we are gonna be able to message each other. You're gonna be asked 3 questions coming in, and at the last question here I want you to say yes, that you're interested in working with me as your guide completely for free. This will let me know that we need to message each other when you come in. After I accept you and get you in, we're gonna have a quick chat and I'm gonna provide you with a plan of how we're gonna grow your membership community to 10, 20 people, and we're gonna then together open a Skool community of yours via my affiliate link. So we can get your Skool community started, and we're gonna start executing on a plan to enroll your first 3, 4, 5, 7 people so we can get this money back that you are paying for Skool. You can have that peace of mind now, and you can have a strong foundation for an ongoing growth. I will be helping you with all of this, so make sure to join my free community, message me then after, and we're gonna use my affiliate link to be able to start working together. I'm gonna guide you and coach you completely for free so you can get results. We're gonna work more like on a results basis, and yeah, we're gonna get you up and running. Take action right now, and I hope I see you on the other side.